Today is the final Snan, the end of the Mahakumbh, and this Snan will take place throughout the day today. More than 65 crore devotees have taken a holy dip so far. Visuals that you are seeing on your screens are of the huge rush, which has also now made sure that they reach the Sangam nose. Also, these are just the people who have already reached Mahakumbh. Many are still on their way, and huge rush is expected on the last day of the Mahakumbh. The visuals that you are seeing, it's the Mahakumbh Mela, which will now conclude on the Mahashivratri. The auspicious period, that's the time when most of the people would love to take a dip. That begins at about 11:08 a.m. today and it will end at 8:45 a.m. tomorrow. Hundreds of devotees from across the country are thronging with Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj. All of them all set to take the last Snan at the Mahakumbh. All this will be being done at the auspicious occasion of Mahashivratri. Now with this, the culmination of the 45-day mega religious gathering will happen today. My colleague Santosh is now joining me from Prayagraj. Santosh, today is the final day. We have seen how crores of people have been thronging Prayagraj over the past 45 days, and today also, from what we expect, what the administration expects, is that crores of people will be visiting the Sangam and they will be taking a holy dip.
Today is the final day of Mahakumbh, and we can say this is the final or the last Snan of Mahashivratri. And as today, as I'm conversation with you, 41 lakh, more than 41 lakh devotees have taken a holy dip in Sangam, and 65 crore devotees total till now have taken a holy dip in Sangam. And right now I am standing over the Lete Hanuman Mandir, that is the another pilgrim of Prayagraj after the devotees take a holy dip on Sangam, and now the devotees take darshan to the Hanuman Mandir. And now you can see the visuals that how many persons are there in this whole area, and this is not a single visual. All over the streets of the Prayagraj, including the Kumbh Mela, or whether it is the Kumbh Mela or whether the Prayagraj city, all the streets are captured by this whole crowd, and the crowd management is done by the Mela administration. Many devotees are there. Let me talk to them. कितना चलना पड़ा आपको, कैसा लग रहा है?
नहीं, इस बार तो काफी अच्छा है, और थोड़ा तो देखो तप करना ही पड़ता है पुण्य पाने के लिए, और बहुत ही भव्य आयोजन है और एक अजीब सी ऊर्जा हर एक को मिल रही है। थकान किसी के चेहरे पर दिखाई नहीं पड़ रही, चाहे बूढ़ा हो चाहे बच्चा हो, सबके चेहरे पर उत्साह नजर आ रहा है। थकान तो कहीं है ही नहीं है। पैदल चलना भी अपने आप में एक हर्ष का विषय है, खुशी की बात है।
कहाँ से आए?
मैं आया हूँ लखनऊ से। जी जी।
स्नान हो गया, कितना चलना पड़ा?
चलना बहुत, व्यवस्था बहुत अच्छी है, क्योंकि ये महाकुंभ का मेला है, तो इसमें देश विदेश से लोग आए हुए, बहुत सारे लोग आए हुए हैं, इसलिए थोड़ा तो चलना ही पड़ेगा और हम लोगों को मैनेज करना पड़ेगा।
So you can see the visuals and the devotees claiming that this is the best administration of any crowd management. The mounted police is there, the horse riding police is there, those who are managing the crowd, and this mounted police is the basic requirement for any crowd management. You can see through the visuals that the police personals are there for the crowd management over here. The horse riding police is there, those who are here for the crowd management, and you can see that this is the crowd management, the basic funda that the police control the crowd.
Santosh, my colleague Santosh, who's showing us images, you can see the police personnel, the administration on its toes. The administration and the police are present in large number. And the reason is because today is the last day, the holy Snan, the last Snan will take place today.